What's up, guys? So today we got a CD and a vinyl, so let's get into it. Don't think I'm gonna even need the scissors to get into this. Nah, I guess I will. It's a little bit more tighter sealed than it originally looked to me, which I guess is a good thing, but now that it comes to unpacking it, it's a little bit frustrating. Oh, we got it open. We got some cardboard on the inside. This came rather quickly, although it looks like the disc came loose. Doesn't look like it got any significant damage. I expect it'll play fairly well, but yeah, we got Johnny Marr and the Healers-Boomslang. I think this was actually Johnny Marr's first solo album, but the only one that he released with the Healers. But yeah, so there's our inside. Look behind the disc. Look at the back. If I forgot to do that by any chance, I always feel like I forget to do it. Yeah. And it looks like we have some lyrics in the booklet, which is always nice. Yeah, the main song that's fairly well known on this is The Last Ride. I'm trying to think, I think I may have heard Johnny Marr's music before I heard the Smiths, actually, but that was so long ago, I honestly can't remember for sure. I definitely know the first song that I heard from Johnny Marr was The Last Ride. The first song that I heard from the Smiths was There Was a Light That Never Goes Out, which is one of my all-time favorite songs. So yeah, let's get into the vinyl now. And it looks like this seller did the thing where you use empty sleeves or just junker records as backers for shipping, which I always think is kind of funny. Looks like they did put some tape on them though, which I'm not a big fan of, because I mean, even if they are just kind of random throwaway junkers, I think it's kind of a neat thing to do. You know, I think there is a certain sense of collectability to it. So I mean, just to kind of show you what I'm dealing with here. Yeah, it's got tape going around it, got tape to the side, so inevitably I'm going to have to do some damage to these, so I don't particularly like that, honestly. But yeah, so yeah, just empty sleeves is all it is. But so yeah, random junker sleeve and random junker sleeve. Looks like this seller did ship it separately, but you know, again, it's taped to the back of this junker sleeve. I don't really like that now because I'm going to have to do a bit of damage to this protective inner sleeve now too. But it doesn't look like it's going to be too bad. A little bit of the tape was gone on the vinyl itself even, but looks like it just got on the outer groove, so nothing too crazy. And now I'm ripping this sleeve. Okay. The corners of it were... I think I'm just going to leave the corners of it, but yeah, the album is A Flock of Seagulls, self-titled. So yeah, I didn't really like how this one was packed. I'm sorry. But it looks like we do have and that's not even a proper custom inner sleeve. Just yeah, it's just kind of a generic protective sleeve with a bunch of words on it for some reason. That's kind of funny. But yeah, that is, this even supposed to go with it? 'Cause, see, this is a, yeah, this is a Warner Brothers sleeve. This is not a Warner Brothers album, so that's kind of funny to me. But yeah, I probably will go ahead and use that sleeve for the vinyl, which I guess I'm just gonna fucking rip it. I mean, I kind of get what this seller was trying to do, trying to be protective, but some of the protective measures that they were doing, I just kind of feel were counterproductive, you know. But yeah, that's what I got for today. Always do have more on the way. No concert plans for the foreseeable future right now. But that kind of situation tends to not last that long. I know last time I was saying probably within 2 months, and it ended up being within 2 weeks that I went to my next concert. So yeah, we'll figure out when my next one is. But yeah, I'll see y'all then.